Welcome to LFA's guide to cleaning and maintaining your TDP-5. Maintaining your press is critical to keep it in good working order and to avoid cross-contamination. LFA stocks cleaning products that are needed to perform this task. We suggest a thorough clean happens at least once a month. We'll start by removing your timing bar, boot and finally your base plate. Brush off any excess powder from the ejection tray with a soft brush. Remove the 2 screws at either side of your ejection tray and then place it to one side. Take off the hopper, catching any powder that's still inside. Now remove the small set screw on the side of the boot with an Allen key. Then remove the boot bolt and spring by hand or with grippers if necessary. Now the boot will be free. Next, take a soft brush and brush off all the loose dust on the base plate. Remove the 2 screws and nut securing the timing bar in place. Your timing bar will now be free. Be careful with the cam wheel at the top of the timing bar as this will also be loose. Remove the set screw at the front of the base plate and this will release the die. Undo the 2 bolts underneath the base plate to release it. Now lift the base plate out. Be careful your die doesn't fall. Once complete, brush out any loose powder that was behind the base plate. Remove the bolt securing the lower punch with an Allen key. Now remove your lower punch. Lower the upper drift assembly using the flywheel and undo the securing nut, and then remove your upper punch. Now remove the locking bar with an Allen key. Now spray with a heavy foam cleaner. This can be purchased from our website. Take a clean cloth and clean, ensuring all dirt and debris is removed. With a bowl of warm soapy water, wash your boot, base plate and tooling. Do not use anything abrasive. Once clean, immediately dry them and then reassemble your TDP-5. As part of your routine maintenance, it's always advised to maintain the grease points. Please see our video on TDP-5 grease points. For more information, products and guides, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.